All right, some breaking news now coming in. Is it going to be Modi government's big Hindi push in schools and educational institutions across the country? New education policy draft report has been prepared by a 9-member committee and submitted to the HRD Minister Prakash Javadekar. Now, this panel has proposed a 3-language formula with Hindi mandatory till class 8th in schools across the country. Going across directly to my colleague Tanushri Pandey. Now, Tanushri, in many schools, Hindi is still being studied and is kept mandatory. Why is this specific draft proposal so important?
Well, Pooja, I first wanted to clarify that HRD Minister Prakash Javadekar has tweeted himself and clarified that the committee which was given the task of prepare the new education policy, they haven't come up with any recommendation making any language compulsory. This clarification, in fact, I'll quote him, and he has said that this clarification is necessitated in the wake of some of the mischievous and misleading report in a section of the media. Now, Pooja, coming back to your question, still some of the HRD sources are telling us that this recommendation has been very much made by the committee-wide K. Kasturirangan committee that Hindi should be made compulsory in all the schools across the country. Now, this is definitely not going to go well with some of the Hindi, non-Hindi speaking states such as Tamil, Karnataka, where where Hindi language is not compulsory in school. But definitely, this is one of the recommendations made by the K. Kasturirangan committee. But it is a final call will be taken by the HRD ministry. If they want to do away with this recommendation, they can very well do away with this recommendation. So this is not the final. This is just the draft which has been submitted to the HRD ministry. This is not the final new education policy which will be tabled by HRD Minister Prakash Javadekar. Also, some of the more recommendations which have been made is to ensure a uniform syllabus nationwide for science and math, and also to develop the script in Devanagari for tribal dialects and promote education based on skill. So, Pooja, these are some of the recommendations which have been made by the
so draft proposal awaiting approval by the government. HRD Minister also clarifying there on social media. 2019 clearly is coming, and we'll wait and watch what precisely will be reactions coming in from other states.
लेटेस्ट खबरों के लिए यूं ही देखते रहिए आज तक, और इस वीडियो के पसंद आने पर लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।